This is a special weather statement issued at 8 p.m. The National Weather Service in Green, Maine has issued a tornado warning for York County until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located near 9 miles near York, or 34 miles west of Green, Maine, moving east at 10 miles per hour. The tornado will be near Green, Maine around 8:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. When the tornado warning is issued, based on Doppler radar, it means that a tornado is forming, or expected to form shortly. Take cover now. Move to interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.